When we came to a site visit, we purely understand we want a sustainable house. Apart from the nature and the sustainability, we also observe that they are very pet friendly and they are pet lovers. Very interesting fact, and they see their pets as their family member. It's like their son and daughter. Actually. Hi, I'm Agre Srinath.
Hi, myself Agred Vinod Kumar. Today we are seeing a home tour of Onella Residence. If you want to see the premium videos and walkthroughs and PDF images, plans, everything, which is available in the buildofy.com, the link is there in the description.
Our philosophy is to create a sustainable or earthen architecture style.
This is a 32 acres of site, the community. It is located in the Hosur, outskirts of Hosur, where the entire site has been converted into a forestry, agroforestry. The plot size is 2,500 square foot and the built-up area is 2,800 square foot.
Four trees were there. We don't want to remove these trees. We want to retain this tree and then we have to design. We have tilted some of the portion of the house to prevent the entire west and the southwest heat. The first space is a guest living space, which is a circular space. From the ideology and the thought process of the client, we thought why not to create a space with a circular form. That is because the character and the nature of the client, they had a character of motherliness. Entire house was designed to have a warmth and motherliness to it together. It is kind of a boom. We want to create that kind of an atmosphere, so that's why this dome is created in a technique of shallow dome. To create the warmthness, we have the entire wall is in a brown.
These two walls are the bordered walls, were completely made with the combination of muds and aggregates like jellies. This is more durable because it's monolithic, and also in terms of temperature return, this helps much better.
We had a flooring with oxide, which is monolithic. If you see, there is a flow of furniture that also merges along with the flooring, the color and the texture. This guest living and the dining was separated with a common passage. From the connecting passage space, we are entering to the dining space. Kitchen and the dining has to be very interactive. When they cook and they eat, they want that interaction. So this is a kitchen space. They cook and serve through this arch window. This client, particularly, have a habit of having open kitchen as a traditional practice. They feel whenever they live in an apartment and other villas, they see a lot of cockroaches and mosquitoes live inside the closed cabinets than the open cabinets. So that's why they particularly ask fashion of open cabinets, unlike the other conventional one. And here we have a dining space which is low seated dining space with cozy atmosphere, which is a little private space where we want to give a older structure to create the essence of warmth and to minimize the temperature as well. We want it as open as possible so that they even have a indoor dining and also exterior dining as well. When he opens, he shouldn't feel like he is in interior. He should maximum feel like he is in outdoor or totally connected to the nature. So that is how the form of the arch windows came into the picture. Enter the passage. Some of the portion will be leading to the staircase. This staircase is made up of with metal and wood. Once we enter into the first floor, we will be seeing a circular room which is entertainment room. So this is also more their private space. To have more privacy in the master bedroom, we have a connecting passage which has a larger round window to have a light entry and also to connect with the nature.
This is the master bedroom, which comes with white openings, which also goes with a double high ceiling, which has been made with a natural tile roof. So which is also heat resistant by itself. Since we have played with double high, the hot air will be more on the top, whereas the base portion will be more cool always, breeze always.
Most of the times the pets, they sleep along with them in the bedroom. So they wanted a balcony space here for the pets. We have provided the windows and doors with reclaimed wood, that is Karimarzu and Pillaimarzu, which is a local breed of trees.
This entire room has been divided within wooden partition, which has a bed space on one side and the dressing space on other sides, which leads towards the bathrooms. So this is the master bedroom toilet, where we have given the more smooth lime plasters to keep it more water resistance.
They have a kids bedroom here. This has a bay window, two bay window, which is on the west side. So this part of the window is fully louvered. Wherever the west and the southwest heat is there, we have given a louver window, and the other places we have glazed window so that they could view the outside. And also the important thing was he was very much into spend the money for the artisans more than the materials. This was one of the main requirements. So it is like entire structure was designed and built in a handcrafted manner.
All the walls are load-bearing walls. The walls have been made with brick and lime mortar. How it's been traditionally done in palaces and like forts in those days. In this particular project, we had like more coordination between the architects and clients and contractors teams. So everything went in very more like synchronized plan, we can say.
We felt like we understood the client and client's requirement, and the output was, it matches the client's requirement and also the client's nature as well.